my lovelies, thanks for tuning back in to Nizzy's Playhouse. So we're back again. I wanted to show you guys how to get this natural, luscious, bone straight hair. So as you can see here is the straight side, and then here is the side that has been unwashed for about a week or so. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Today I'm using Kaledoscope's Best Friend Heat Spray. And what you're gonna do first is you're gonna section the hair off. Normally I would just do it from back to front, but because I wanted to show you all, I just split it down the side and then sectioned it off like that. Then you want to go ahead and take your comb, wide tooth, rat tail, doesn't matter, just get the kinks out and everything. And then you want to go ahead, I do 3 sprays, and this hair is 24 inches long, so 3 sprays down the hair should be enough to coat it, and then you'll go back and comb the product in the hair. Some specs on this hair. This is Pretty Strands Brazilian loose wave. This is a body wave wig, already made wig. Some specs on this flat iron. This is the $30 flat iron that I rave about, that I got from Amazon, and right now I have it at the highest heat, which is 232 degrees Fahrenheit. Please do not clock me, because I do not have this wig laid down. This is one of my go-to wigs when I just throw it on, and I don't glue the I don't glue the ends down when I wear this wig, so don't clock me, don't come for me, you know what I'm saying. I go over the hair maybe once or twice, and then what I'm gonna do is go in very slowly and take that rat tail comb and comb it right under there and just kind of slick it down like so. And I'll show you guys again further throughout the video. So the first 2 times you just want to go over the hair nice and smooth, and then the third or 4th time you want to actually use the rat tail comb. What this does is it actually like straightens the hair, like I don't know, it's like I don't know how to explain it, but this is the method that I use, and it gets it bone straight every time. And I'll go ahead and zoom in on it for you guys so that you guys can see what I'm actually talking about here. So it gets the hair super bone straight, super bone straight. So what I do is a little different at the top, because this is a wig and it's kind of like made like a frontal. I kind of split the sections up smaller, because as you can see there's some waves, and with frontals the hair will go a certain way, and we want to make it not go a certain way, so you kind of have to do smaller sections for the top, but you'll do the exact same method of how I did it, going over it once or twice and then going back in with the rat tail comb. And so this, so the Best Friend spray that I got from Kaledoscope Hair Products, it's about $20, and they give you a lot of product. It's your typical 12 ounce, 24 ounce, I don't know. It's just your typical amount of spray or whatever. And it leaves your hair smelling very good, as well as it's not very shiny or sticky, so it left my hair feeling like I had just washed it, even though I had washed it a week ago. And what I do now is I go in with the Moroccan argan oil, and I put that, I separate the hair into 2, put a little bit in my palm, and then rub it through the hair from top to bottom. And you want to make sure that you get those ends, because the ends are where you kind of concentrate the heat on, because you don't want your ends to be looking all jacked up, right? But yes, girl, that is it. That's all you have to do. Let me know if you guys have any methods on straightening your bundles or straightening your hair. And as always, thank you for watching, and thank you for rocking with your girl. Bye.